We're fighting against a modern day Goliath in St. Francis, but she can be brought down. And I believe that God will do for you what he did for David. That is, David was given 5 smooth stones to bring down a big enemy. But God was so with David that he only had to use one. One represents your unity, and that nobody break rank. And if you stand together as one solid wall, you will see St. Francis begin to kneel, bow, then fall, and you can take the sword of St. Francis, which represents the truth, and begin to negotiate and then get what you rightfully deserve in fair practice. I just want to say I wouldn't want to come to St. Francis if you wasn't there to check me in.
We don't mind. See, we've been doing it all the time. But if you want us to sacrifice, you and I get it without a price. We don't mind. See, we've been doing it all the time. But if you want us to sacrifice, you got to give something back to life.
Sisters and brothers, on behalf of the LA County Fed, I want to say that unions all across LA County support you. We'll be with you every step of the way. And to the Daughters of Charity, you know, when I was growing up, my parents would always say, you probably heard it too, charity begins at home. And if we were asking for charity, that's what I would tell the Daughters for Charity. But we're not asking for charity, are we? No! You ask for charity, you demand respect. Am I right? You ask for charity, you demand good patient care. Am I right? You ask for charity, you demand fairness. Am I right? And if it takes being on a picket line to do it, that's where we'll be. Thank you.
This is about patient care. This is about patient care. This is about patient care. Contract.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you who have come out here and have sacrificed a day's work and a day's pay to be out here to stand up for your rights. That's what this is all about. Because you are at the forefront. You are at the forefront of 150,000 UHW members today. You are fighting for every single one of them. Not just you, not just your families, but all of our members and every other worker in the healthcare industry and their families. So you have an important job. You have a very important job. And don't ever forget the significance of what you are doing today. And I realize...
Way to go. I'm going to tell y'all right now, we need to make this day an official day for the members here of St. Francis Medical Center, the members of UHW. We stand today to fight and show management we mean business. Today, simultaneously, we have done something the Daughters of Charity have never witnessed. 2,400 members up the coast of California, standing united together to fight for a common cause. What is a union is all about. That's what we're here for. The Daughters of Charity is going to learn. They're standing behind me right now taking notes. You don't have to take notes from me because I've been telling you this all year long. have faith in y'all. They didn't believe y'all was willing to step out here, put y'all necks on the line and show that y'all mean business. Y'all serious about taking care of these patients here, right? The city of Lynwood deserves quality patient care. We cannot afford for another hospital to go down like King Drew went down. The problems that we having over at King Drew stem really from the fact that management didn't have their act together. For a community that's been underserved for so many years, can we afford for that to happen here? No! We cannot afford that. Do you hear us, daughters? So I just want to close by, I truly appreciate all of y'all for being here. Let's stand strong together. We're going to win this fight. Yeah! Are we going to win this fight?
Children that you brought your children out here today. I am so proud to let you know that you let your children know that you will never ever get anything handed to you. That's right. Everything in life you've got to fight for. If it's free, watch out. So this is why we're out here today, fighting. So, united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. So on behalf, because you all elected me to go up and have a say-so at the table, I am not there for the LVNs only, I'm there for everybody. And I really need to welcome the newcomers to the union, because we are the union. Don't let anybody say the union is not doing this, the union is not doing that. We are the union. So we're going to fight. We're fighting. We're going to fight. Now let's keep fighting. Let's keep fighting. And in the name of Cesar Chavez, one of our greatest activists, sí se puede. Sí se puede. Sí se puede. Sí se puede. Sí se puede.
Rock the nation. 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 Rock the nation.
We living in a mean time and an aggressive time, a painful time, a time where cynicism rots the vine, and a time where violence blocks the summer shine. Lifetimes go by in a flash, in a search for love, in a search for cash. Everybody wanna be some fat tycoon, everybody wanna be on a tropic honeymoon. Nobody wanna sing a little bit out of tune, or be the backbone of a rebel platoon. It's too soon to step out of line. You might get laughed at, you might get fined, but do you fear me when I say I feel pain every day when I see the way my friends gotta slay? They never get ahead of bills they gotta pay. No way, no way. Some make a living doing killing, Colombian penicillin. Some are willing to play the villain, they just chillin' to pass the time, pass the information or pass the wine, pass the buck or pass the baton. But you can't pass the police or the Pentagon, the IRS or the upper echelon. I think it's time to make a move on the contradiction. Bomb, bomb, rock the nation, take over television and radio station. Bomb, bomb, the truth shall come, give the corporations of complication. Bomb, bomb, rock the nation, take over television and radio